Here we have to prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. So let us if possible, let this is a rational number. So this can be written as a by b. A by b equal to 3 plus 2 root 5. This implies that 2 root 5 equal to a by b minus 3, implies that root 5 equal to a minus 3b by 2b. Now we note that in the left hand side root 5 is an irrational number, but in the right hand side a minus 3b is a rational number and 2b is also a rational number. So rational divided by rational is also a rational number. So this is a contradiction. So our fact that a by b is a rational number. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. This completes our proof.